These are the top 20 tool deals for Amazon Prime Day 2. If you missed yesterday's video, I'll link that at the end of this video and in the description so you can go check out those deals because a lot of those are still active. If you're interested in any of the tools you see today, there's links in the description and the pinned comment to help you find them easier. Let's go. Number one on the list is a table saw, DeWalt's Job Site Compact Table Saw. I have this table saw in the shop. It is fantastic. I love this saw. But this one comes with the rolling mobile stand for only basically $59 more because typically this saw sells for $299. They have it on for $329 by itself right now, but it goes on $299 a lot. But if you need this saw with a mobile stand, this is the time to buy. Really good deal, $130 off. Basically, you're getting this saw with a stand at a deep discount. Number two on the list is a Win Cordless Track Saw. I've had so many requests to review this. I've got to get this in the shop, and today may be the time to buy. It is 18% off for Prime Day. You can get this saw with the 2 batteries and the charger, and then you'll have to pick up the guide rails if you don't have any of those, and those are another $65. So you're getting a cordless track saw for under $230 if you add the tracks with this kit. So good deal. Next on the list, we're going back to DeWalt. They have their top-of-the-line corded miter saw, DW616. This is a fantastic saw. I have the little brother of this, the 779. One of the major differences in this and the model I have is it does have that cut line technology to be able to see where you're going to cut before you get there. Fantastic deal, and it's only $650 with a stand, and I say only because if you look at the 780 itself, it's $600 by itself. So you're only adding another $50 for that stand. If that's a little pricey, check out the DW616. It is still on deal for $399, 38% off. Next up, if you need a good quality socket set, Tecton has several of their tools on sale, but this is one of the best deals I've found at 28% off, $56 for this 1/4-inch set. I have Tecton combination wrenches in the shop. They're fantastic. This set is only $6 higher than it's been in the last 12 months, so it's a solid deal. Next up, if you need a router, DeWalt has their DW616 1 3/4 horsepower router. This is a great fixed base router, or if you need one for the router table, this is a good option. This is the lowest price this has been in the last 6 months, so you can jump on this deal and feel confident you're getting a solid deal. Speaking of router tables, Bosch has this router table on for 22% off the regular price. This is a well-made, highly rated router table if you're in the market for one. If you love saving money on tools and you don't want to miss a tool deal ever, you got to check out my website, 731woodworks.com/tool-deals. I post there daily, and I have a Prime Tool Deals post on there that I'm keeping updated continually throughout today so you don't miss any deals because there's more on this page than I'm able to cover in this video. If you see one that has a strike through it, like right there, that means that that deal has ended already. So go check it out. Next on the list is the DeWalt Orbital sander. This is a 5-inch Orbital sander, $49. Like, this is one of those you run to and don't walk. You go ahead and get this deal. You may need a backup sander, or when you get this, it may become your primary sander. DeWalt makes some of the best sanders on the market that are under $100, and this one at $50 is a steal. Next up is the Worx Pegasus folding work table. I have 2 of these in the shop. I actually loaded these up with 600 pounds in weight plates to see how much weight they could hold. Didn't budge. These things are fantastic, and they fold away. They're collapsible. So if you're in small spaces, or if you just need a temporary workspace, these are absolutely awesome. I love these little things. I use them all the time. These are 31% off, $104. They don't go down this low very often at all. The average sale price on this work table is about $130, so this is a solid deal. Next on the list, if you're in the market for a helical head planer, not a straight knife planer, you're going to pay a little extra for a helical head. This is a 13-inch jet on deal for 21% off, only $645 for this. The helical head makes a much smoother cut. It also is easier on the blades if you get one nicked. You don't have to change that entire blade out. You just rotate that knife, you're back in business. You don't see helical head planers at this price very often at all. Next up, lowest price ever on this 10-inch benchtop Wahuda Joiner. I have the 8-inch version. It's always best to go big or go home if you can. The 8-inch joiner is $549. It's on a decent sale, not the lowest price ever. It's a good deal at $549, but the best deal is the $649, and you're getting 2 more inches of width on the bed of that, so you can face joint much easier or much wider boards. This is one of those deals that just doesn't happen that often. It says 7%, but when you're taking 7% off of $700, you get $50 off, so it's a good deal. Next up, Jet has this drill press on sale for 26% off the regular price. $422 out the door gets you this free Prime shipping. If you're not a Prime member, I've got a link in the description below to help get you in this for 30 days with a free trial. You can check that out. This gets you all these deals. You have to be a Prime member to take advantage of any of these deals. This is a solid deal on a benchtop drill press if you're in the market. Next up are some Woodpecker tools, and if you don't know anything about Woodpecker tools, they're absolutely awesome, very well made, and they just don't put them on sale ever. I have the stop block system. This is the Stealth Stop system. This is by far the best stop block system I have ever used, and love having it on my miter station. It is one of my favorite tools I've ever bought. And I think I gave $250 for it at the time. This is on sale for 10% off, $212. Good deal if you need a stop block system. I love how these work because you can mount them flush with the table, in other words, inset, or you have a fence. So if you like the fence on your miter station, this will accommodate that as well. If you want to ensure you're not going to miss a deal because you forgot to check a website or you're just busy that day, I've got a text group that I've set up. It's free to join. I don't spam you. I'm only going to send you the best of the best tool deals. It is free to sign up. It's linked in the description. Sign that up. When I find a great tool deal, I'll let you know about it before anybody else. Next up are the stainless steel delve squares by Woodpeckers. Never go on sale. Lowest price I have ever seen them at $244 for the set. You're getting the 3.5 and the 6-inch. These are really good squares that are just, they don't ever go on sale. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go and add them to the cart. This is the lowest price these have ever been on Amazon. Last but not least in the Woodpeckers line is this delve square. I have this delve square. You can see I bought it May 30th, 2022. Love it. It's one of my favorite squares. This is $74. I think it's only been $2 cheaper than this ever on Amazon. So this is a really good deal. Yeah, it's a little expensive, but it's one of those squares that you'll find yourself using all the time. Yesterday, Xtool had a deal on a laser, and that deal has ended. However, they have given us some more. So now they have several I'm going to show you here. 3 of them show you here. This one's 38% off, plus you get $127 more off with a clickable coupon. If you've been wanting to dive off into this laser stuff you've been hearing so much about, start etching your own things, burning your own things, cutting stuff, then check this deal out. They also have an upgraded version to that. This one adds the tumbler so you can do cups and things like that and etch designs and logos and all kinds of stuff in there. So this might be the better deal, 20% off. And there are promotions available with this one so you can add on to those things. They're basically taking percentages off for those add-ons to help beef up this machine. Now this is a very expensive laser, but if you're in the market for one, right now may be the time to buy. $700 off with a clickable coupon. This is that totally enclosed laser. This is the ones kind of like that Glow Forge that you've seen. This is similar to that as far as the footprint of it, but $700 off may be hard to beat on this deal. If you're in the market for clamps, and we all need some more clamps, these are some of the best F clamps I've ever used. I love Jorgensen F clamps. These are 18% off, $33 for a 4-pack. You're getting 2 6-inches and 2 12-inch clamps. This is a solid deal. Might as well throw a couple in the cart. Everybody needs quick clamps, and Irwin has this quick clamp set on sale for 51% off. It's $33, $34. And as you can see, I bought these in February 2022. I use them all the time. They're still holding up. A lot of these quick clamps tend to break over time. These have held up extremely well. If you're in the market for a circular saw, Skil has this on sale for 35% off, basically $39. I paid $50 for this on June 27th. You see that? I bought this for myself. This is a really good, very nice quality saw for this price. Like, it's hard to beat this saw. This is Amazon's #1 best-selling circular saw. So if you're in the market or if you're a beginner just getting started, This is a really good deal. Help you get started, especially at this price. Now, if you're in the market, this bad boy is on for 20% off. This is a 16 and 5/16 inch worm drive circular saw. This thing is massive. This is one of those basically beam cutting saws. And this is kind of a niche market, but this is a 20% off deal. It's a solid deal on this saw if you're in the market and you're in this line of work. Next up, don't pass this deal up. This is the Milwaukee Orbital detail sander. I've had one of these for a couple of months now in the shop, few months now in the shop. I use it all the time. This is by far one of my favorite cordless tools I've ever bought, and it's on a super good deal. Only $129. This is at Ohio Power Tools, so it's not on Amazon, but it's still a very, very good deal. I could not show this to you. Regular price, $253. Now on sale for $129. You get the 2.5 amp hour high output battery and the sander. You'll want to pick up a pack of the assorted sandpaper with this, so you'll have different grits of sandpaper with it, and one of these interface pads. These are perfect for sanding the edges of your work. So if you have a roundover or chamfer, this is a spongy pad that won't damage that, and it works perfect with this sander. I'll link to all three of these things in the description below. Next up, if you need a good paint sprayer, this is a HomeRight Finish Max paint sprayer, 38 bucks, 65% off the retail price. I have the Super Finish Max, which is a fantastic sprayer. I've had it since 2017, still have it, still use it, works extremely well. The real difference here is these come with a couple of extra tips, or the Super Finish Max, but the Finish Max comes with one tip. I never change the tips. $38, good deal. Don't forget today's the last day to save 30% off any woodworking plans or our board butter and merch on our store, 731woodworks.com/store. Use the code PRIME2023. You'll get 30% off. Hurry, because this sale ends at midnight tonight, July 12th. If you missed yesterday's tool deals, you got to check them out. There's a lot of those still active. Click that box, go watch that video. Let me know which one of these deals was your favorite.